Today's talks in news. Wipro and Mahindra IndusInd Bank Federal Bank are key stocks to watch out for on Tuesday. Indian markets closed at a 3-month high level on Monday, mainly lifted by banking and financials after HDFC and HDFC Bank announced a merger earlier today. The BSE Sensex grew over 1300 points and Nifty 50 breached the 18,000 level for the first time since January 18, 2022. In the range of 1-2%, all sectoral indices ended in green as well, where banking, power and metal were the top gainers. According to Parth Naiti, founder of TradingGo, over 70% of contribution to the gain of Nifty 50, because HDFC twins also lead to short covering in the market. Foreign investors are showing buying interest is leading to outperformance in the Indian equity market. Stocks such as Mahindra and Mahindra, Walk-Harded, Interglobe Aviation, IndusInd Bank, Federal Bank and Wipro were other stocks that will be in focus on Tuesday. Indigo appoints R.K. Singh as principal advisor to MD Rahul Bhatia with immediate effect. IndusInd Bank total advances as of March 31, 2022 rise 13% year on year to Rs 2.4 lakh crore, while deposits grow 15% year on year to Rs 2.9 lakh crore. Work-Harded CFO Deepak Mandnani quits. Board appoints Pramod Gupta as the new CFO of the company. Federal Bank deposits in Q4 rise 5.3% year on year to Rs 1.8 lakh crore, while gross advances increased 9.5% year on year to Rs 1.5 lakh crore. Mahindra and Mahindra launches Alpha CNG in cargo and passenger from Rs 2.57 lakh. Wipro ex-date of the company's interim divide of Rs 5 per share. Thank you and have a nice day. प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। आपको ऐसे ही आगे स्टॉक्स की न्यूज़ मिलती रहेंगी। थैंक यू।